Hello kids. In this video I am explaining or I am introducing the basic of algebraic identity, the meaning and the three identities. So in junior classes we have learned about algebraic expression. It is just the combination of variables and constants with basic mathematical operation, means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Clear? Then we learn about equation is what? Algebraic expression with equality sign. So these two are equations, these two are algebraic expression. Now what is identity? So if you want to understand this, we will have to take one example. Suppose I am taking 4x plus 2y is equal to 1, and I am going to substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So what will be the answer? It is not equal to, means LHS is not equal to RHS, means the value of x and y are not means this is not the value. This equation is not getting satisfied with the value x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, means something else we will have to take, means this equation the value of x and y will not be 1. Suppose another equation I am taking, x plus y is equal to 6. Actually this was the value of x and y, it will be something in fraction form. So I am taking the simple equation x plus y is equal to 6. So what value of x and y should be here? Suppose I am taking x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. What will happen when I will substitute the value? X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. Now in the same equation I am going to substitute the value which will be different from the previous value. So suppose x is equal to 3 I am taking and y is equal to 3. So what will happen? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, means 6 is equal to 6. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? So if LHS is equal to RHS, means the value of x and y will be same. The value of x will be 3 and the value of y will be 3. Then only we will get the value of LHS and RHS same. Clear? So this is an equation. This is an equation. It is not an identity. हम लोग इसको आइडेंटिटी नहीं बोलेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने जब पहले बार वैल्यू इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट की -1 और -2, इसमें LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS नहीं आया. जब हमने इसमें सेकेंड टाइम वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट की तो उसमें LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS आया. तो इसीलिए इसकी वैल्यू क्या कर रही है? वेरी कर रही है. मतलब एक वैल्यू के लिए ये आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, एक वैल्यू के लिए आंसर आ रहा है. तो ये हमारी क्या है? दिस इज़ नॉट आइडेंटिटी. हम इसको आइडेंटिटी नहीं बोलेंगे. अब हमने दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन लिया. ठीक है? सपोज आई एम टेकिंग a plus b into a plus b. I have told you that whenever there are brackets and no operation is there, means it is multiplication. Or suppose this is our LHS and on RHS I am writing a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the value which I am going to substitute in this one is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So start substituting the value. A is equal to 1 plus b is equal to 2. Then again 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? It is 3 multiplied by 3. Now again substitute the value of a square on this side also. A square means 1 square plus 2. No sign, no operation you are getting here, means it is multiplication. 2 into 1 into 2 plus b square. What is the value of b square here? It will be 2 square. It will be 2 square. Now 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4, and 2 square is 4. So answer will be 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Mean LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Let's take another value of this for the same expression. Again I am writing the expression A plus B bracket, and on RHS A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? Now again I want to verify this equation whether the LHS is equal to RHS for other values or not. So suppose I am taking now A is equal to -1 and B is equal to -3. So I am substituting the value on LHS. LHS is what? A plus B, A plus B. Value of A is -1, value of B is -3. Then again substitute the value of A and B. It is -1 and -3. What is -1 -3? It will be -4 multiplied by -4. What is -4 into -4? It will be +16. Now let us calculate the value of RHS, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square means -1 square plus 2 into -1 into -3 plus B square will be what? -3 square. So -1 square, square of any negative or positive integer is always positive. Then 2 into -1 into -3. It will give us +6. Then square of -3 will give us 9. What will be the sum? It will give us 16. Now again you are getting the LHS is equal to RHS, means the same expression is the same expression. For the same expression we are getting LHS equal to RHS when we are substituting different values. Means we can say, or we will say, that this is an identity. This is an identity. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B into A plus B is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. And what will happen when twice a number is written in a product form? We write A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is your first identity. Hope you understood what is the meaning of identity. So please try for some other values also. Thank you.